Hello everyone. So for today, I'll be showing to you how to install Xampp on your macOS. So my machine here is running on macOS Monterey, and it is with the M1 chip. So let's install the Xampp. So to download the installer, just open your web browser and go for a search engine. Then just type in Xampp. The first result here is the Apache Friends, which we can click on. So this is our Xampp installer, and here is the latest version. So you can download for Windows, Linux, and our OS X. So for now, I'll be downloading an earlier version. The latest version is the 8.1.4. However, I will download the older one, which is the 7.4. So I'll be demonstrating something. That's why I'll be using this installer for a while. So I just click download, and you will be redirected to this page now. You just need to go back to the previous tab, and here's the pop-up message. Just click allow to download the file, and this may take some time while downloading depending on your internet speed. So this Apache installer, while waiting for the file to be downloaded, includes already the Apache server plus the MySQL database. So in the contour panel, you just need to start the Apache to run your PHP code and to start the MySQL service to run your database. So once the download is done, you can move to your downloads folder in the Finder, and here you can see the installer. So I also downloaded earlier the latest version. However, I will be installing the 7.4 version. So just click on the installer, or I mean double click it, and then double click the icon here, and then click open. It will ask for a password, so just type in your password and click OK. Then it will be installing. So you will have this screen. So this is already the installer. Just click next, and then next again, and then just click next. So you may uncheck this one so that it won't pop up the website, but if you want to continue, just click next. So it will redirect you with this website, where it will just say hello to you. So let's go back to the installer and then click next, and let's just wait for the installer to be finished. So ginagamit again ang Xampp for PHP at MySQL for web programming siya. And you can also once you install this one, your machine is already or can serve as a server. So let's just wait for the installation to be finished and start Xampp. So this may take some time pag depende sa machine. So once finished, you will be having this screen, and you can click finish button. Then if you leave this one na naka-check, it will launch the control panel. So this is our Xampp. So you can, Apache server is now running. You can also start your MySQL database if needed. And And there you have it. So you can go to the application, which will redirect you to the local host, wherein you will be seeing the home page or the default page for your Xampp. You can also click on the open application folder, which will be allow you to open the folder where the Xampp files are located. So if you want to start your PHP code, go to htdocs, and then you can create a folder here. So the things you can see here in the htdocs is the one loaded in the dashboard, localhost slash dashboard. So if you want to write your script, just I advise you to create a folder. So I'll create a folder and I'll name it Abe, and then open this one. Then you can create here a PHP file. So for now, you still don't have text editor. You may use the Note. However, for me, I'll be using a text editor which is called Sublime. So I will also install Sublime now. So just go to google.com and then just look for Sublime text editor. So I'll click download. Click on the OS X and then just click allow. So it will download the installer for the Sublime text editor. So I'll be using this one to create files for PHP. You can also use the Note so that you can easily create your code. However, we want some text editor with functionalities, and Sublime is one of those text editor. You can also use VS Code, Notepad++, etc.
A few moments later.
So once downloaded, just navigate to your downloads folder, double click the icon, then just click open, and here is our Sublime. So there's the latest version, so I'll just click download.
A few moments later.
So just click install, and it will ask you for your password. Just type in your password, then there you have it. So let's create our PHP file here. So you need to have the opening tag, then closing tag, and then I'll just display some echo. This is my page, then semicolon, or maybe welcome to my page. Then Command S to save, and some just look for the application and then go to Xampp, and then go to your htdocs, and then go to your folder, and then name here, let's put it index.php para it will be automatically recognized by our browser. Then just click save. Then as you can see, the tag here has been changed color, no? Since the Sublime recognized this one as a PHP file. And as you can see in our directory, you can see the index.php. So go back to our browser, the local host, Instead of dashboard, type your folder name and then click enter. Then here, there you have it. You have the welcome to my page PHP file. So once you are already done in your installation, you may see your installer in your desktop now. So if you want this one to be removed, just right click and click eject. Eject, so that it will be gone in your desktop. So there you have it. We successfully installed um, Xampp and Sublime. So thank you for watching and see you on my next tutorial.